21 Prizm Draft personal box for Sean S. He said to just break and let him know. So we're breaking Sean. All right, thanks, Sean. Good luck. Number to 75. I like this dude. I'm drafting him in best balls. Rondale Moore, Purdue rookie blue. Rookie blue Rondale Moore is the first auto in the first pack there. Numbered 4 of 75. 4 of 75. Michael Carter, red, rookie. Russell Wilson is red out of 299. Justin Fields, rookie, Crusade silver. Silver on the Justin Fields. Jace Horn, rookie, and Terrace Marshall, rookie base. Number to 149 for the Buckeyes, Pete Werner, blue rookie auto. Pete Werner, blue rookie auto for Ohio State out of 149. Jarvis Landry on the red. And also Jarvis Landry on the blue. That one's numbered to 249. And a nice silver, Patrick Mahomes silver Prizm. Mahomes on the silver. Karamo on the rookie, and Gainwell, All-American rookie. Rookie auto base, Brendan Knox. Brendan Knox. Yeah, no doubt. Josh Allen on the red. Red Crusade, Micah Parsons. Penn Stater, numbered to 299. Devontae Adams on the silver Prizm. Sean Wade, rookie, and Rakeem Boyd on the rookie base. Number to 99 on the auto here from West Virginia. Purple rookie auto, Tony Fields. Tony Fields, purple rookie auto out of 99 for the Mountaineers. Penn Stater and a Steeler here. Rookie red. I don't even know how to pronounce his name though. Freermuth. I like the dude, but I don't even know how to say his name. Teddy B on the purple, number to 149. And there he is again, silver Prizm rookie there. Should be pretty good for us. Surratt and Mond. Last pack. And the last auto is for the Georgia Bulldogs, DJ Daniel. DJ Daniel, rookie auto for Georgia. Nick Bolton on the red. Chris Evans, rookie blue, is numbered to 199. Jamar Chase, rookie silver. Silver Prizm rookie, Jamar Chase. And the last two cards, Jalen Waddle on the Crusade rookie and Patrick Surtain on the All-Americans rookie. Thank you, Sean. Appreciate it.